everyone, welcome to Yopedia, and this particular video is going to help you out in your group discussion preparation. So all the candidates are preparing for the GDs, for the campus placement specifically, and if you're also preparing for any other organization, for GAIL, NHPC or like that. So this particular GD is very important as it is basically a current incident which has been taken place on Delhi railway station, and what can be the possible GD for that. So that we are going to be discussed in this particular video, right? So group discussion is something which is checking, which is assessing your basically ideas, your thoughts on a specific or a random topic, right? And GD is a vast domain, but to understand the domain of GD, I would say you need to be stay updated with the current things. You know, there are a number of domains: socio-economic, environment, education, polity, sociology, you know, business and economy, I would say industry trends. So there are a lot of domains, right? So this particular domain which I am going to be discussed today is the current one, which this topic we have covered it this week in our GD sessions, which we are which are already taking place live session every day in the classes, I would say. So basically there are two regular sessions we are covering. So if you also want to prepare for GD, you can reach out to us, and yes, we have also made the lot of documentation related to each GD topic we have covered. And we do have dedicated WhatsApp groups and even the channel. You can watch out the series of GD on Yopedia campus placement. So yes, let's just get started that what is the GD topic for the day and what we're going to be discussed in this topic. So the GD topic for the day is, I would say, the Delhi Stampede, a preventable tragedy, lessons learned and to path to accountability, right? So this is the GD topic. See, there was a I would say stampede have been taken place at New Delhi railway station basically on 15th of February, where approximately 20 people have lost their lives, and maximum were women and children, right? So there was a chaos related to people wanted to go to Prayagraj to take holy bath, and there was a delay in train schedule or something like that. So maybe there could be a announcement which might not, people was not able to understand that, and they are just running towards the same line, right? And they haven't even have heard about that or like that. So basically all were running in the same line, right? There was a lot of chaos, misinformation, misannouncements and all like that, narrow spaces. So a lot of things are there in that. So if that kind of GD will become in your final, I would say what can be the important things we need to be covered in this GD. First of all, we need to be tell that what was the tragedy was. I have just discussed that Indian Railways I would say is facing criticism about the mismanagement at New Delhi railway station, right? They was alleged that they haven't managed it well, and yeah, that is the result is this particular Delhi Stampede tragedy. Okay, so now important thing is what directly triggering this stampede, what are the causes and what are the things which was successful in creating this kind of tragedy or to make this chaos. First of all is, I would say, confusion and misinformation. People were very confused that time as there was a lot of huge gathering, right? And yes, conflicting announcements were there about train platforms. That's why people got very confused. For example, they have just said Prayagraj Express and Prayagraj Special. Maybe they can be different, but people were listening towards a similar thing. They were very similar sounding, right? Rumors and misinformation was there. Sudden surge in crowd. जब वहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा क्योस हुआ, इतना ज़्यादा क्राउड, मतलब मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन और सब लोग एक जगह भागने लगे, तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि बहुत ज़्यादा ही एकदम से क्राउड बढ़ गया, ठीक है? मतलब इतने ज़्यादा लोग आ गए कि उन्होंने बैरिगेट्स एंड सब कुछ तोड़ दिया, एंड दे जस्ट जंपिंग टुवर्ड्स दैट थिंग कि वो ट्रेन की तरफ रश कर रहे थे, राइट? क्योंकि उन्होंने बेसिकली महाकुंभ मेला जो बेसिकली वहाँ पे जाने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड और थे, जिसकी वजह अपने ट्रेन का वेट कर रहे थे, और मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन की वजह से वहाँ पे भागने लगे, जिसकी वजह से और ज़्यादा क्राउड बढ़ गया. बोटनेक्स एंड फिजिकल कंस्ट्रेंट वर ऑल्सो देयर. बहुत ज़्यादा नैरो स्पेसेस थे, ओवर ब्रिजेस, ठीक है? आई वुड से एमेनिटीज वर नॉट गुड. एग्जिस्ट इज लाइक जहाँ एग्जिस्ट कहाँ पे उसका कुछ पता नहीं लग रहा था. लोकेशन ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म वॉज नॉट टू गुड टू बी अंडरस्टैंड. दैट इज द थिंग. Panic and fear. Whenever this kind of thing took place, people used to be very panic and fearful in that kind of situation, especially women and children and old age people. Why? Because people were running in so fastly, and you know, they are just going towards the rushed, they are not even thinking and listening towards what is the announcement and where we are going basically. So at that moment, panic and fear is a very common and natural emotion, or natural, you can say, psychology at that time, right? Now what are the underlying failures? Failures क्या थे? Failures कह सकते हो या factors कह सकते हो जो इस ट्रेजेडी में बेसिकली जिन्होंने कंट्रीब्यूट किया, जिसकी वजह से ट्रेजेडी इतनी ज्यादा फैल गई, इतनी ज्यादा स्प्रेड आउट, इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ ह्यूज स्टैम्पेड आई वुड से हुआ. सो व्हाट वाज दैट इज बेसिकली इनएडुकेट लाइक क्राउड मैनेजमेंट एंड प्लानिंग. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा इनएडुकेट क्राउड मैनेजमेंट था, इनफेक्टिव क्राउड कंट्रोल मेजर्स था. वहां पे कोई ऐसा नहीं था कि हम उस क्राउड को कंट्रोल कर पाए, कोई रियल टाइम मॉनिटरिंग नहीं थी. ठीक है, बिकॉज वो चीज बोलनी एक अलग चीज है एंड करनी एक अलग चीज है. ठीक है, तो देयर वाज नो एज सच थिंग वाज देयर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेफिशिएंसीज वर देयर. ठीक है, ओवर क्राउडेड प्लेटफॉर्म्स थे वहां पे, फुट ओवर ब्रिजेस थे, बेसिकली बहुत ज्यादा नैरो स्पेसेस थी, नैरो पैसेजेस एंड बोटनेक्स थे. कम्युनिकेशन एंड इन्फॉर्मेशन गैप वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा आ गया, कंफ्लिक्टिंग अनाउंसमेंट्स हुई हैं एंड लैक ऑफ टाइमली इन्फॉर्मेशन. डिले थी ट्रेन बहुत ज्यादा, that are also a factor. Emergency preparedness and responsiveness जो कि नहीं थे, कोई इमरजेंसी प्लान्स नहीं थे, इनएडुकेट इमरजेंसी प्लान वो देयर, एंड स्लो रिस्पॉन्स. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें, इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज चाहिए थी, वहां पे बहुत स्लो रिस्पॉन्स था. ठीक है, लैक ऑफ अकाउंटेबिलिटी एंड ओवरसाइट, अनक्लियर लाइंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, देयर वाज नो रिस्पॉन्सिबल पीपल. ठीक है, एंड बहुत ज्यादा अनक्लियर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज थी वहां पे, जिसकी वजह से क्योस बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. Now, what lessons we have learned from that? At the end of your GD, while you guys will be discussing over that, so you can also discuss that what lessons we have learned, and even that is the thing which has been included in the topic as well. So lesson हमने क्या सीखे इससे? First of all कि emergency preparedness होनी चाहिए in such kind of chaos and in such kind of stampede. ठीक है, infrastructure improvement is very important. एनहांस्ड कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम, एक क्लियर कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम को सेटअप किया जाए जिसमें कि कम्युनिकेशन का कोई गैप ना हो, मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन ना हो, एंड यू नीड टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक व्हाट यू आर डिलीवरिंग एट द रेलवे स्टेशन अनाउंसमेंट्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज पीपल यूज्ड टू बी लिसन इट केयरफुली, एंड अगर आप कुछ भी चीज अगर गलत इंटरप्रेट करते हो तो वो इसी तरीके का स्टैम्पेड मतलब हो सकता है इन फ्यूचर एज वेल. बेटर इमरजेंसी प्रिपेयर्डनेस. ठीक है, एंड पब्लिक अवेयरनेस कैंपेन शुड बी देयर. क्राउड सेफ्टी से रिलेटेड पब्लिक को उनको अवेयर करना चाहिए कि उनको कैसे रिस्पॉन्सिबल बिहेव करना है. वाई? बिकॉज पीपल आर इवन नॉट अवेयर अबाउट दैट हाउ दे हैव टू बी बिहेव इन दिस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन. क्योंकि अभी जब बैरिकेड्स वहां पे सब कुछ था, काफी पुलिस ऑफिसर्स ने वहां पे कोशिश की, बट पीपल आर नॉट इवन लिसनिंग टुवर्ड्स एनीवन. They are not responsible, they are just running towards the train, because they are in a fear of to missing the train, but they are not understanding that your life is more important than to grab the train. Train will come again. ठीक है, और उसकी वजह से उस टाइम पर इतना था कि वहां पे 20 लोगों की जान चली गई. they have been like lost their lives. Technology, use of technology is very important, like CCTV camera should be there. ठीक है, क्राउड मैनेजमेंट के लिए आप प्रॉपर स्क्रीन सिस्टम आप वहां पे कर सकते हैं, क्राउड डेंसिटी एनालिसिस कीजिए, एंड रियल टाइम कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. राइट, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर जीडी टॉपिक, द दिल्ली स्टैम्पेड, एंड इस इंसिडेंट के लिए अच्छे से आपको पता होना चाहिए. एंड ये सारे जो पॉइंटर्स हैं हम इस तरीके से इसको डिवाइड करके डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. बहुत सारे और भी इससे रिलेट करके टॉपिक हो सकते हैं. मेक श्योर आप इस इंसिडेंट को प्रॉपरली एनालाइज कीजिए. Right, we have made this documentation as well. You can find this is on Yourpedia panel, and yes, you can prepare such kind of important GD topic in coming week, in coming month with Yourpedia, and we have made a list of all the important topics what we have covered till now and what we're going to be covered. Right, so yes, there are a lot of dedicated channels and I would say WhatsApp groups and things where you can get access of all these GD topics. Right, so you can watch out the GD series on Yourpedia Campus Placement YouTube channel, so that you can understand the format, you can understand the different domains of GD and all these things. So yes, this is all about this particular topic, and we will record and we will do one more important group discussion topic in a next video. All the very best. Good luck.